The 1300s. Oh my god. Everything.
Construction.
Yeah. Oh, in 1300s
Growing
and
up.
Poland started building. Wow.
Wow.
So inspirational. I'm getting goosebumps.
Yeah.
So this king was very good.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to watch animated history of Poland. So last video that we watched of Poland was that how amazing Poland is and the places of Poland, and we were talking about like we have not seen Poland very much, and like the countries that we normally talk in Europe is like it is either UK or Germany. These are the countries that get talked about, but the moment we discovered Poland, it was like eye-opening.
But I heard only one thing about Poland, that it is beautiful. One thing I know, like I knew about Poland, that it is like very peaceful country. Like of course it's a European country, but still apart from the beauty, it is a very peaceful place. I've heard this.
Yes, and in the comments also many people were like welcoming us, like you
Oh,
should
wow.
visit, and
Thank
like
you.
they were telling that there are many more beautiful places of Poland. So this is about history of Poland. So I think so it will help us to know more about Poland, because like what we as of know is just it's a European country. That's
Yeah.
it. So we need to know more. So let's watch this
Video.
animated history. The start is like of
Yeah.
China.
No, it's not China.
No, the sound was like. Oh, whoa,
wow.
whoa, whoa!
Oh. Polska.
Polska.
It was Polska.
And it was big.
Norway.
966. Slowly and slowly Poland was coming up. So it is not that old of a civilization that is of India.
Yeah, India is very old, like oldest.
One of the oldest.
One of the oldest, yeah.
Krakow, Krychov.
Oh, the war.
Poland also has a very dark history.
Yeah.
1226. I think so those were English.
I've not read about that. I don't know.
The 1300s. Oh my god. Everything.
Construction.
Yeah. Oh, in 1300s
Growing
and
up.
Poland started building. Wow.
Wow.
So inspirational. I'm getting goosebumps.
Yeah.
So this king was very good.
Right.
1364. Oh wow, everything is
Wow,
flourishing.
Yeah. Now they are rich, huh?
Now it is the Poland that we know.
Yeah. Oh, that guy, what handsome.
He's animated.
I know. Beauty is in my eyes.
1400s. Oh wow. This is the time like India was going to get like colonized by Britishers.
Britishers, yeah.
Oh wow. I think that it is the greatest era of Poland. Oh no. Oh, there were two Polands. I think so.
Really?
One Union Poland and one Polska.
Poland was Polska, now it's Poland.
Oh wow.
Oh. They have earned through import export.
They are just getting better and better.
Yeah.
1543. Krakow, Bologna. Wow, Poland is so beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's burning.
Burning.
Fighting.
Oh my god, the wars. I just hate wars.
Actually, who was they fighting with?
1683.
I think it is again British. In 1700s.
Oh, again they won that freedom.
Oh.
Wow.
Now they're getting the palaces.
Yeah.
The 1800s. Oi. Oh, this is slavery.
Yeah. It was he was a bad king.
Ah. 1791. What happened in 1791? Oh, Poland was getting torn apart. Oh, wow. What a way to show that. Everything was going down. 1800s? Why were the Polish people suffering?
Oh. 1806.
1830. 1863. The train started.
Yeah.
Industrialization.
Yeah.
Oi,
Oh.
what was that? Oh, the Nazis. 1920s. Oh my god.
The destruction. Wars and wars. God.
Then they again started the rebuilding.
Courageous people they are.
Actually, they just know how to come back again and again.
Again and again.
1939, Second World War. Oh, the Hitler time.
Oh.
Oh my god. I think so Poland suffered the worst.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was shocking.
Oh, that was heartbreaking.
Actually, the Poland that we saw. Oh my God. Everything went down. 1944. Oh, the Polish flag is coming back.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
The betrayed Nazis, right?
And they were able to come back. And they started rebuilding again.
Again and again.
Wow,
Again.
man.
It's a huge
This,
motivation,
this is inspirational video.
Yeah.
This is not just history of Poland.
Yeah.
Wow. 1978. What happened? Oh no! What happened? A protest.
1989. 2000.
Wow. And they changed it
Changed
completely.
Wow.
It's like a movie.
Honestly.
Wow.
Wow. This is what we see today.
It's so important to know history. Wow. All the stars of Poland. Wow.
Wow.
what an history, and what a history lesson, what a history video this was, because this showed us that what Poland is made of. Normally, if you would have asked me, I would have said, okay, European country, and they would have done all the colonization and those things. But no, Poland had a very dark and different history, and they were able to come back from so many setbacks.
I would like to just appreciate the animation, because they have shown, at first I read about that this is the animation video, so I thought they are going to some explain, or there is going to be some some text or something that we have to read, but it was like totally we have to understand. And the most breaking moment was that when they were tearing apart
Yeah.
that thing, that map, that they were breaking it. That was so bad. I could just relate with that, and I'm hoping the same I want from India also, because we have also suffered a lot. We have like rebuilding everything, and then at this stage people will say India is still developing, because we have been ruled, like they have ruled on us, so it is very hard to just rebuild again and again.
Yes.
And Poland has done that so well.
Actually, and like there was some points where we were not able to understand like what happened. So do let us know that in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.